we are going to see some MCQs from chapter 10. The first MCQ is like this. Toluene reacts with halogen in presence of iron 3 chloride, giving ortho and para halo compound. The reaction is option A, electrophilic elimination reaction, option B, electrophilic substitution reaction, option C, free radical addition reaction, or option D, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now for that you have to write down first the reaction. The reaction is given to when toluene means benzene, on that CH3 group is there, that is our toluene. When it reacts with halogen means Cl2 in presence of ferric chloride, FeCl3, iron 3 chloride, it gives ortho and para product. This CH3 as such, this is our ortho halo compound, this is our para halo compound. Now in this reaction you can see this Cl is there in product and it is not there in reactant, means hydrogen from this place and this place, it is replacing this Cl. So it is substitution reaction. That is clear? It is substitution reaction because hydrogen from this place it is replaced by chlorine. So it is substitution reaction. Now two substitution reaction are given to us, nucleophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. Now for that you have to check the mechanism. You have learned that in 11th standard. This Cl, it enters in the benzene ring as Cl plus ion. Okay, this Cl enters in benzene ring as Cl plus ion. So plus ion is there, positive ion, it is electrophile because it is attracted towards electrons. So it is electrophile. So our reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction, option B. Again our reaction is substitution reaction because hydrogen is replaced by chlorine from ortho and para position, and chlorine enters into benzene as Cl plus ion. So it is electrophile. So the reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction, option B. The next one, second one is like this. Which reagent will you use for the reaction? Reaction is given to us. You can see in the reaction 4 carbons are there. So it is butane. When reacts with Cl2, it gives CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, means chlorobutane, 4 times carbon and Cl. Chlorobutane, 1 chlorobutane, and in addition to that, second product is our 2 chlorobutane, you can see here. Now it is halogenation of simple alkane. Halogenation of simple alkane is done in presence of ultraviolet rays. So our correct option is first one, ultraviolet rays and Cl2. Okay, now the next one, third one, which carbon is asymmetric? Now what is asymmetric carbon? Carbon that has 4 different group on it, it is called asymmetric carbon or chiral carbon. Again, carbon that has 4 different group on it, it is called asymmetric carbon or chiral carbon. Now you can see 4 structures are given to us. First one, that has hydrogen, first group, second group chlorine, third group bromine, and then iodine. 4 different elements are attached to carbon, so it is our chiral carbon. So first one is our chiral carbon, then second one you can check it, it is D here. D means deuterium. isotope of hydrogen. So deuterium, chlorine, bromine, iodine, 4 different elements are there. So it is also our chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon. Then third one, hydrogen, CH3 means methyl group, C2H5 means ethyl group, then alcohol group. 4 different groups are there. So it is our chiral carbon. Third one, you can see here 2 hydrogens are here. In fourth structure 2 hydrogens are here attached with same carbon. So it is not a symmetric carbon because 2 same groups are attached to the carbon. So it is not a symmetric carbon or chiral carbon. So which are the chiral carbons? 1, 2 and 3. You can see the option B here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Question is like this. Which of the following is vicinal dihalide? VIC means vicinal dihalide. Now what is vicinal dihalide? Vicinal dihalide means adjacent carbon will have halogen on it, and geminal dihalide means same carbon have 2 halogens on it. Okay, vicinal dihalide means 2 halogens will be there on adjacent carbon. Geminal dihalide, 2 halogens will be there on same carbon. So look at the structure. First one is dichloromethane. If you draw the structure will be like this. This is dichloromethane. You can see on the same carbon 2 chlorine are there. So it is geminal chloride. Now the next structure, 1,2-dichloroethane. In that you can see 2 carbons are there, ethane on first number and second number carbon, 2 chlorines are there. So adjacent carbon that have chlorine on it. So it is vicinal dihalide. So our correct option is option B. Now look at the next question. CH3 bond CH, double bond CH, then carbon Br CH3 twice is classified as. Now to classify it you have to draw the structure. If we draw the structure will be like this. CH3 CH double bond CH bond C, on that a bromine is there and 2 CH3 are attached to that carbon. This is CH3 twice. So 2 CH3 are attached to the same carbon. Now you can see this is our halogen and halogen is on this carbon. On the adjacent carbon double bond is there. You can see this double bond. So halogen having carbon that has double bond on adjacent carbon. Adjacent carbon has double bond means it is allylic halide. Again, adjacent carbon have double bond means it is. Now next question. Question is like this. Ethylidene chloride is a or an dash classified as. So we have to find out the type of this compound, ethylidene chloride. Now what is the ethylidene chloride? So ethyl means 2 carbons. In that first number carbon is having 2 halogen on it. It is called ethylidene chloride. So you can see same carbon is having 2 chlorine on it. So it is geminal dihalide. Correct option is geminal dihalide. Remember this structure. This is ethylidene chloride. Okay. The next one, a primary alkyl halide would prefer to undergo first SN1, second SN2, third alpha elimination, or none, that is fourth option. So primary alkyl halide is given to you, means 1 degree. Now in SN2 reaction mechanism, the order was 1 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 3 degree, means primary halide would prefer to undergo SN2 reaction, not SN1. In SN1 reaction, the order was 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. So it will not undergo SN1 reaction, but it will undergo, primary alkyl halide will undergo SN2 reaction. The next one, IUPAC name of following compound. A compound is given to you. Now here you can see in the compound 2 carbons. So here 2, 3, 4. Total 4 carbons are there. So it is butane. Bromine is attached to that, means 1 bromo butane. On that you can say this is our principal chain. This is methyl group, 1 number, second number. On second number methyl group is there. So 1 bromo, 2 methyl butane. That is our IUPAC name. Now the next one, reaction of C6H5CH2Br with aqueous sodium hydroxide follows SN1, SN2 or SAT-SAP rule, or none. Now which reagent is given to you? Aqueous sodium hydroxide, means aqueous NaOH. Now I told you already that if aqueous NaOH is there, it will give substitution reaction. So reaction will undergo either SN1 or SN2 because it is substitution nucleophile in both of these. So substitution reaction will be there. Now if you draw the structure will be like this. You can see the structure is 1 degree alkyl halide like structure. You can see this carbon is attached to only this carbon, so it is 1 degree alkyl halide. 1 degree alkyl halide, we already discussed that 1 degree alkyl halide will undergo SN2 reaction mechanism. The next one, question is like this, which is a symmetric carbon, means which carbon is having 4 different groups on it, a symmetric carbon or chiral carbon. Carbon that has 4 different groups on it, that is called a symmetric carbon or chiral carbon. Now in this structure you can see carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 both has double bond on it. So these both are not a symmetric carbon. Again, these both carbon 1 and 4, they have double bond on it, so they can't be a symmetric carbon. Remaining 2 and 3, check out the options. 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is not our correct or right answer. 1 and 4, that is not our right answer. 1, 2 and 3, that is not our right answer. So right option is 2 and 3. The next question, which of the following is aryl halide? Now what is aryl halide? Aromatic ring on that directly halogen will be there. That is our aryl halide. Aromatic ring on that directly halogen. So check out the structures. First one, 1 chloromethyl 3,2,2-dimethyl propyl benzene. So draw the structure first. The main structure is benzene here. So draw that benzene. 1 chloro means 1 number, chloromethyl. So CH2Cl, this is chloromethyl. Then on 3 number, propyl group is there. This is our 1 number, 2, 3. On 3 number, propyl group is there, means 3 carbons. In that propyl group, 2,2-dimethyl means this one is our 2 number, 2,2-dimethyl, and benzene. This is our benzene. So this is our overall structure of first option. Now you can see halogen is not directly attached to the benzene ring. A carbon is there between them. Benzene, then carbon, then chlorine. So it is not aromatic structure. Check out second option. 1 bromo, 1 methyl propyl benzene. So draw the structure. Main structure is benzene. Again on first number a bromine is there. So bromine. Then on second number we have propyl group. 3 carbons. In that propyl group 1 number has methyl. So carbon is there. Methyl group is there on first number. So this is our structure. You can see benzene ring, on that directly bromine is there. So this is our aryl halide. Correct option is option B. The next question, which is 3-degree benzylic halide? Again 3-degree and benzylic halide is there. What is benzyl halide? Benzene ring, then carbon, then chlorine. Again benzene ring, then carbon, and then chlorine. That is called benzylic halide. Now benzylic halide, that is our 3-degree halide. It is written in the question. So check out the degree of this carbon. First carbon is there, second, and this one is third. So it is 3-degree carbon, and it is also benzylic halide. So it is our right option, 3-degree benzylic halide. The next question, the metallic fluoride used in Schwarz reaction. Again the reaction is Schwarz reaction. So in that this catalyst was used for the fluorination, Hg2F2. The next question, alkyl fluoride are prepared by Finkelstein reaction, Hunziker reaction, Wurtz reaction, or Schwarz reaction. In upper question only we have learned that Hg2Fe2 is used in Schwarz reaction. So this F will replace another halogen. So it is Schwarz reaction by which we can prepare alkyl fluoride. Again by Schwarz reaction we can prepare alkyl fluoride. Next question, a reaction is given to CH3, CH, CH, double bond CH2. Here a methyl group is there. When reacts with HBr, to which product will it give? Okay. Now this is alkene. In that halogen is adding. So it is addition reaction. In that we have to look for Markovnikov rule. Now here one point is very important. Look at the reaction first. What happens here? Here in first step H plus will add in the structure. So on which position H plus will add here? You can see by Markovnikov rule H plus will be added on terminal carbon, this carbon. If we add carbon on this carbon, what will happen here? CH3, CH, CH3, C, CH3. This carbon will have positive ion because this bond breaks and bond electron are used in making up this CH3 bond. Now this carbon is having positive charge. Now this carbon is positively charged, so it is carbocation, and this is our 2 degree carbocation. And stability of 2 degree carbocation is less compared to 3 degree. So what will happen here? This positive ion will change its place automatically and comes on this carbon, and this hydrogen will change its place and come on this carbon. So what will happen here? CH3, C, CH3, CH2, CH3. This carbocation will form automatically, and this is our 3 degree carbocation, and this is stable. Then in next step, what will happen? Br will add on this carbon. So CH3, C, Br, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is our product. Why it is our product? Because of stability of carbocation. Stability of 3 degree carbocation is most, then comes 2 degree carbocation, then least stable is 1 degree carbocation. That's why correct option is option B here. Now next reaction. Which of the following will undergo SN2 reaction most rapidly? Okay, SN2 reaction. So in that we learn that 1 degree halide will undergo SN2 reaction most rapidly. So find out 1 degree from this 4 compound. This is 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, and 1 degree. All 4 are 1 degree. Now what will you do? Now here you can see different groups are there. This is C double bond O means ketone group. This is ether group. This is double bond means alkene group. Now from this 4, ketone group is electron withdrawing group. Again, ketone group is electron withdrawing group. Ketone electron withdrawing group. Now because of that, the nucleophile means negative ion will attract towards ketone. Again, nucleophile means negative ion will attract towards this ketone. Because of that, this compound will go fast reaction in SN2 reaction. This compound will undergo rapidly under SN2 reaction because of this C double bond O ketone group. It is electron withdrawing group, and we are introducing negative ion in it. So it will undergo fast reaction.